How to enable word wrap in Google Antigravity. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can enable word wrap in Antigravity. So word wrap is the similar feature that we use in Word and VS Code as well. It basically allows for direct editing and manages how long lines of code or documentation are displayed. So if you're not able to see all of the text within the particular frame and you need to scroll again and again, you can simply enable word wrap and it will ensure that you see the full lines of text, especially if any particular line is too long and it extends beyond your viewing range. So to enable the text wrap, what you will need to do is simply click onto the settings here icon at the top just beside your profile picture, and then from here click on editor settings. Now under the editor settings inside the commonly used, you can simply scroll down and you will find this option that says editor word wrap. So it is currently set to off. Click onto the drop down arrow and from here you can either choose it on, or you have options with this as well and bounded options as well. So I'm gonna go with the on option, and now my word wrap has been successfully enabled in Google Anti-Gravity. So that was pretty much it about this particular tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.